Hello, this is my review of this Angry Bird keychain. You can leave it everywhere. It's made of plastic, but I don't know of what plastic is that made. I need to know of what is that made, and let's see how it works. But I don't know how to get it in. It has something in it. I buy it in Taros and Lucas and I buy it in Cinepolis, but it's in the store over there. It has many Angry Bird things and other promotions. And also I reviewed this Ice Age toy. Sorry. And also I reviewed this Ice Age toy that is Rudy, but in place of Rudy I like it and I name it my name Croczilla, and he's my pet my pet Rudy. And you can open its mouth by pressing this button, and it opens its mouth. And subscribe and comment if you want more reviews. And this is my room. See? Has everything, and also my book. And also I reviewed this book. It has many dinosaurs. And also it has this, and it has many dinosaurs. But my favorite one is Tyrannosaurus, Spinosaurus, and exactly your Croczilla. So please subscribe.